The Omniverse was first created by a group of interdimensional beings known only as the Peace Lords. For 1,000 years, the Peace Lords created multiple realms and kept the Omniverse safe from harm, from evil. One of the Peace Lords was one who was known only as Francis of the Filth, or as many of the citizens of the Omniverse called him, Filthy Frank. He protected the Omniverse for years, until one day he vanished. When the world needed him most, he was banished by his fellow Peace Lords. But despite Francis of the Filth's banishment, the Omniverse continued to thrive even after his banishment. Until the end of time, new realms have appeared under the influence of Francis of the Filth, causing more and more life to spread in this weird dimension.